what I think is among the first of its kind investment conferences in Nakuru, which is bringing together investors and companies and opportunities that exist here. And there are very real opportunities and real companies that are looking for investment and looking for ways to grow their business here. And in my view, this is all about creating good jobs. Good jobs in new sectors, some jobs in old sectors like Pyrethrum that the governor is bringing back, like potatoes that the governor is bringing back. So we're delighted to be of help and, you know, delighted that she is telling the story of Nakuru. Yes, well, there is a new company called Kentegra, which is an American company. Kentegra stands for Kenya Integrity. And they have just announced and have broken ground on a Pyrethrum manufacturing facility here. I think they've recruited about 8,000 or 9,000 farmers. Absolutely. And each of those farmers employs about 9 people to pick Pyrethrum, mostly women, and they buy directly from the farmers every 2 weeks. They weigh the flowers, they pay them right there in cash, and those goes to support school fees and feed families. And I think it's been a big success. I'll let you comment, but they're trying to recruit 90,000 farmers across Kenya, and I know you want a big share of that.
Right. Actually, it was back in the 80s, most of the families really, especially in this county, educated or put their kids through school using Pyrethrum, right? And then for a time there, from the 90s to the 2000s and all that, it kind of died slowly. But working very closely with Kentegra, they've done a wonderful job in the county. They've contracted a lot of farmers, almost 9,000 now. And we want to make sure Nakuru gets a big share, because if you recall, most of the Pyrethrum Kenya was the leading exporter of Pyrethrum in the world. And out of that Pyrethrum, 80% came from Nakuru County. So we want to take ourselves back there, and you really can see how much it changes the lives of our farmers. And this is small-scale farmers at that. So we did come out here with the ambassador about 6 months ago, maybe. And
so all those opportunities